Hi, this is Kathy, owner and designer at My Greatest Joy Designs, and this video is featuring SweetRuffins Dog Boots. Now that you've bought them or thinking about buying them, there are some things that will help you have the perfect fit. Make sure that the toenails are all the way at the end of the boot. Now what you want to do is gather the extra material at the top, pinch it, fold it over, and then snugly wrap the Velcro all the way around. Now, the way you want to check to see if it's on is give it a little tug, and if it doesn't fall off, you are not going to be searching for your boots in the snow. If you were wondering if making the boots longer would be better, there really isn't any reason, and I'll show you why. The Velcro should be wrapped around in between the big pad and the stopper pad. Wrapping the Velcro around in between these two pads is the best location, and the reason is every dog on their front and back feet have two little side knuckles. So if you rub down, you'll be able to feel them, and that is where you have your widest part. If you were to make the boots longer, they're just going to eventually slide down to those two knuckles, and then the dog is going to be walking around like a kid who's wearing socks that are too big. Thank you for stopping by at My Greatest Joy Designs, home of Sweet Peas cloth diapers, Sweet Feet stay-on booties, Sweet Dreams baby quilts, Sweetheart doll baskets and accessories, and of course SweetRuffins dog boots for your fur baby. Always something new, so stop by often.